guys, it's Saturday, December 6th, 2014, and I got this package in the mail today, and I wanted to do a package opening, and I'm not sure what it is. I don't remember. I wanted to show you how this package came. See, it's open on this side. This looks like it's been opened and bent. This side is open right here. So I don't know if somebody has actually been into my package. You know, I think it's funny that both sides are cut open. And, yeah. So, we'll see. Oh boy. I got something that's really exciting in here. Oh, it says free gift, thank you for your purchase, 3-piece deluxe cleaning kit. But this is what I got. And this looks really strange. And there's nothing here. And there's the invoice. Okay. I purchased this Panasonic camera. It's a V550, and it was supposed to be new, and I purchased it off of Amazon, and it was on sale for $264 on Cyber Monday or whatever. And then I had a gift card. But this doesn't look like a new box to me. I mean, I don't think Panasonic cameras would come in a box that looks like this, with a label just stuck on it. So I'm really kind of wondering if I even got what I was supposed to get. So here's the inside of the box. Well, we'll see. This looks like a battery and this is weird. It's an SD card, but it doesn't even say what size it is or nothing. So, yeah, that's really good. And here's a cable. Looks like you would hook it up to your computer and then put it into the camera, because it's like a USB port. This is another type of cable, and I don't know what all these cables are because I've never had a camcorder before, but I'm hoping I did not get a refurbished one, and I'm hoping I actually got a new one as advertised. Maybe this is an HD cable, I don't know. There's like a small port here. I'm not sure. This might be an HDMI cable, I don't know. And then here's another cable. With this, so I don't know what these cables are for. Okay. Okay, here's the wall charger that goes into the wall. So one of these cables is going to go into the charger and then into the camera. I don't know if it's this one. And here's the actual camera itself. And then there is, shoved way down in the bottom, directions, and it's shoved so tight in there. Okay, there's Wi-Fi connection guide. So here's instructions. Here's a basic owner's manual with it. And it comes with software in the bottom. Got these 2 discs, HD Writer LE 2.1 and this HC V550. So I'm not exactly sure what's on each one of these. Let's open the camera. And I'm hoping that this will be able to give me better quality videos. This is really tiny. Oh, very tiny. Which I like that. It's very lightweight. Okay, let me show you the camera. Okay, on this side, there is an adjustable strap that you can hold it with. Like this. It has a built-in lens cap. On the top, I don't know exactly what all these buttons are. There's buttons on the top. I think this is for like the camera. It does can take still pictures. And I'm not sure what this is. Volume. Maybe this is the zoom. I don't know. It's supposed to have 90 times zoom. Okay, there is on this side. This must be the record button. This must be for the charger. Okay, and I know this is where you put the battery in. And then this opens like this. And then it flips, has a touch screen. And then on the inside, Wi-Fi, your HDMI cable thing. This must be your on-off button. This right here kicks your battery in and out. Yeah, one of these is probably your image stabilization. And then that's probably something to do with your recording. So yeah, I've never had a camcorder before, ever. I've never used one before, ever. So this is my first one. So it's really cool. Looks like a very small battery. Oh wait, on the bottom, right here, there's a place for a tripod, and right here is where you flip your SD card in. And I know this camera does not have any internal memory, so you have to have an SD card. Now this door is really loose, so this might be something to watch out for since it is on the bottom. So yeah, let's put the battery in. There's probably no charge in it, but we'll see. Okay, here's what the battery looks like. And I guess it just slips in like this. No, maybe it slips in this way. There we go. Got the battery put in right here. Okay, set date and time. So it seems to be powered up with a little bit of juice. Yeah, it's got some battery into it. So this is, yes. And there's how you set the clock. So, yeah. This is really cool. I'm going to read all the instructions and charge it all fully, and then show you kind of how it works. And so I'm going to save this setup process for another video so you can actually see how it works. But yeah. Let's see. I'm excited to try it. So if you have one of these or have tried it, let me know what you think of it. V550. And also let me know if they're supposed to come in a box like this, because I'm supposed to have a new one and I'm just wondering if this is not refurbished, but I don't know. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully this will improve the quality of my videos and I will be able to do a lot more stuff for you guys. So I hope you have a good rest of the weekend, and I'll put up another video about this soon. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.